Have you ever felt like your learning is going nowhere? You buy courses and read books, but nothing in your life actually changes. The problem isn't your memory or your intelligence. The problem is that we were taught to learn for grades and process, rather than for results. In a world of big money and technology, that approach is a dead end. Intelligence isn't about the number of books you've read. It's a set of hidden mental algorithms. To grow, you need to use the system used by Mark Zuckerberg. 1. The annual challenge. Zuckerberg doesn't try to get better at everything. Every year, he picks one big skill to master, from speaking Chinese to building his own AI. While most people waste their energy on hundreds of small goals, Mark practices intellectual solitude. He cuts off the noise so his brain can stop consuming other people's content and start creating its own. 1 year, one priority. This turns learning into a powerful tool. 2. Project over theory. Mark never learns things just in case. He starts a project first, even if he doesn't know how to finish it. This forces the brain to learn fast because the information is needed right now for the project to survive. This is a necessary system update. It is the ability to admit you are wrong and change your mind as soon as you find new facts. Don't wait. Start building. 3. The knowledge trunk. Don't get lost in the small details. Zuckerberg looks for the foundation, the trunk of the tree. This is the habit of metacognition, or thinking about your own thinking. An intelligent person asks, am I being logical or just emotional? By finding your blind spots, you see the whole system. These strategies are tools for your mind. Choose your project and start today. If you enjoyed this video, you'll love these.